I came across two very interesting questions today. One was integral of e raised to x plus x raised to e dx from, it was a definite integral from 0 to 1. Another was e raised to sine x into cos x dx. So I'm going to solve these two questions one by one. First, let me see this one. E raised to x plus x raised to e dx. Now, according to integration, we cannot proceed like this. We have to split the terms. So, first I am going to split it like e raised to x dx plus another one is integral x raised to e dx. Okay, I split the two terms like this. Now, we know integral of e raised to x is just e raised to x. So I'm going to write it like from 0 to 1. And as you can see, e is a constant. So integral of x raised to e will be x raised to e plus 1 upon e plus 1. Again, this is from 0 to 1. Now, just putting in the values, it becomes e raised to 1 minus e raised to 0 plus 1 raised to e plus 1 upon e plus 1 minus 0 raised to e plus 1 upon e plus 1. Now, e raised to 1 is just e raised to 1. E raised to 0 is 1, as any number raised to 0 is 1, plus 1 raised to any exponent is just 1 upon e plus 1, and 0 over any number is just a 0. So finally, we will take the LCM. LCM will be e plus 1. So it becomes e square plus e minus e minus 1 plus 1. If you just take LCM, now plus e and minus e will get cancelled out, plus 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled out, and final answer will be e square upon e plus 1. So once again, this was our integral. We will split it open. Integrate e raised to x ka integral is e raised to x. Again, x raised to e integral is this. Limit is from 1 to 0. We will put in the limit and execute simple mathematics. We will take LCM, solve. So our final answer to this question is e square upon e plus 1. Now for the second one. The second one is e raised to sin x into cos x dx. Now this is a product of two functions, so we need to assume. We will say let sin x equals to t, then cos x dx will be dt. I'll write it clearly. Cos x dx will be dt. Now we will replace it. Integral e raised to sin x into cos x dx acquires the shape e raised to t dt. This cos x is replaced with dt and sin x is replaced with a t. Now this is very simple. E raised to t integral is just e raised to t plus c. Now you can just replace this t again with sin x, what we assumed primarily, and it becomes e raised to sin x plus c. Again you can see e raised to sin x into cos x dx, and this is our solution. The final answer is e raised to sin x plus c.